Hello my dear student of standard 10. How are you? Hope you are fine. By the grace of Allah, today lecture 8, chapter 12. We were discussing about the types of country on the basis of development. And there are three types of country, that is developed, developing and underdeveloped country. And today I will discuss about economic relationship of Bangladesh with developed and developing countries. And Bangladesh belongs to developing country. We know that no country in the world is self-sufficient. Every country has to establish, maintain and develop relationship with other neighboring countries. Also, because of economic, social and political reasons. So, in this lesson, I will discuss the issue of economic relationship of Bangladesh with developed and developing countries. So, the relation here is the relations are two types. Number one, relation concerning foreign trade and relation concerning loan assistance and the giving and taking of grant. At first, relation concerning foreign trade. There are two aspects of trade. Export, that is, export is the source of income of a country, and import, that is, import is the head of expenditure of a country. And in Bangladesh, the export income of Bangladesh always less than the import expenses for a long period. And you know that the main export goods of Bangladesh include ready-made garments and knitwear, raw jute, goods made of jute, frozen food, tea, leather, ceramic goods, etc. And USA has been the biggest market of the export goods of Bangladesh for the last 1 decade. Next to it, there are other countries like Germany, UK, France, Belgium, etc. Moreover, our goods are also exported to countries such as Italy, Netherlands, and Canada. It means that the export trade of Bangladesh is spread mainly in the developed countries. Now, exporting of manpower. Bangladesh export unskilled, semi-skilled laborers to various countries of the world. The main countries of exporting manpower are Singapore, Malaysia, Middle Eastern countries such as Saudi Arab, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain and Kuwait. On the other hand, there is a trade relationship of Bangladesh with the SAARC countries. The amount of export of Bangladesh within the SAARC countries is the highest in India. In 2010-11, the amount of export of Bangladeshi goods to India was 78% of the total export to the SAARC countries. Besides India, our goods are also exported to other SAARC countries such as Afghanistan, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Now, the relation of Bangladesh on the basis of imported goods. The main imported goods of Bangladesh are capital, machinery, raw materials of industry, food grains, petroleum and petroleum-based goods, cotton, oil, fertilizer, yarn, etc. Bangladesh imports most of the goods from China. During fiscal year of 2015-16, 23.9% of the total import of the country has come from China. In the second, third and fourth positions there are India, Singapore, Japan respectively. That means India 13.6%, Singapore 5.4% and Japan 3.9%. There are other countries from where Bangladesh imports goods are Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, South Korea, Malaysia and USA. Now, second relation, that is foreign loan assistance and grant. Bangladesh receives loan assistance and grant from other countries of the world to collect development fund. Bangladesh also receives loan and grant from international organizations such as World Bank, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank, United Nations, IDA, that means International Development Association, and EU, that means European Union. The countries from which Bangladesh gets foreign assistance are UK, Germany, France, Netherlands, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Australia. And Japan is worth mentioning as the aid-giving agency among the Asian countries. Some amount of aid is also received from India. Now, my dear student, you will enjoy a song on Bangladesh.
শুনতে পাবে এই বাংলার বুকের ভেতর গুনগুন গুন বাজছে শোনো অদম্য এক গান কান পাতলেই শুনতে পাবে এই বাংলার বুকের ভেতর গুনগুন গুন বাজছে শোনো অদম্য এক গান বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সুদিন আসবে জানি বাদ যাবে না কেউ সবাই মিলে বদলে দিলে বদলে যাবে সবাই জানে জানে নদীর ঢেউ দারুণ ঝড়ে হার মানে না দাঁড়ায় ঘুরে বারে বারে মাটির দেশে সোনার মানুষ চাইলে পরে সবই পারে কান পাতলেই শুনতে পাবে এই বাংলার বুকের ভেতর গুনগুন গুন বাজছে শোনো অদম্য এক গান বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ সেজে বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ
Dear student, this was my last lecture with you, but it is a matter of sorrow that for the present situation I can't see your faces and I am missing you a lot. I hope that by the grace of Allah we will face the light of good day again. So up to this, everyone, stay at your home safely and take your preparation for your SSC examination. Okay, goodbye everyone.